564 Tango Bravo, climb level 340.
Center 564 Tango Bravo, we're declaring an emergency, need radar vectors to land, we just lost control.
564 Tango Bravo, roger, are you able to turn right to a 270 heading?
Right 270, we'll give it a try, 4 Tango Bravo.
And 564 Tango Bravo, do you have control of the altitude on the aircraft currently?
We currently have control, yes, we've got control, we're getting our speed back under, we're just taking it slow, we're slowly turning to 270.
Thank you, sir, and 4 Tango Bravo, just maintain flight level 220 if that works for you.
Yep, we'll try to maintain 220, 4 Tango Bravo.
Thank you. And 4 Tango Bravo, when you do get a chance, let me know your intentions. I do have Kennedy about 25 miles to your northwest. If you want to try to land there, I could probably work that out, or whatever you want to do.
Give me a second, let us figure it out here, 4 Tango Bravo.
No rush, take your time.
I don't want to take it into a busy airport space. If you can give us something that maybe, isn't going to go through your busy space, and just let's see what we got. We've got some control over it now, 4 Tango Bravo.
Okay, we can work out Republic Airport, which is close by Kennedy there as well. Whatever works best for you, I'll make it happen. Don't worry about airspace.
Yeah, if we can go back to Republic, that's where we departed from, 4 Tango Bravo.
Okay, 4 Tango Bravo, roger. I will get you going towards Republic. Just continue a right turn to, let's go 300 heading if you're able.
Right turn 300, 4 Tango Bravo.
And 4 Tango Bravo, descend and maintain flight level 190.
Down to 190, 4 Tango Bravo.
And 4 Tango Bravo, flight heading 060. And when you're able, just let me know some information. Souls on board and fuel remaining in time.
So we've got 8 souls on board, and we have all the fuel. We're full. We've got 5,800 pounds.
5,800 pounds, roger. Thank you. And 4 Tango Bravo, are you able to descend to 190?
Roger, we're just slowly descending 190. We're not sure what kind of control surface we lost, and we're just trying not to overpush it.
Okay, roger.
New York Center, citation 564 Tango Bravo. We're 320.3 going to 14.
Okay, citation 564 Tango Bravo, New York. You expect it's going to be a visual approach, runway 32, fly heading 080, vector for your descent.
All right, 080, vector for descent for 32, visual, 4 Tango Bravo.
4 Tango Bravo, what's the nature of your emergency?
We lost the control surface and went into a spin. We've got control over the airplane now and are stable. We're doing everything very slowly, so just nursing her back into Republic, 4 Tango Bravo.
4 Tango Bravo, understood, sir. Just I'll tell you what, turn left turn heading 020, and descend maintain 8,000.
All right, left turn 020 down to 8,000, 4 Tango Bravo.
And November 564 Tango Bravo, contact New York approach, 125.7.
25.7, appreciate the help, 4 Tango Bravo.
Okay.
Good afternoon, approach, citation 564 Tango Bravo with you, 14, descended 8,000, 020 heading.
564 Tango Bravo, first thank you, report altimeter 291, and is the visual approach to 32 good, or you want the RNAV?
No, yeah, we'll take the RNAV, we got the RNAV loaded up.
4 Tango Bravo, select RNAV from a 32 approach. I'm going to give you one spin here just for the descent.
Alright, we'll expect the RNAV 32, 4 Tango Bravo.
Citation 4 Tango Bravo, if you get a chance, just number of people on board and fuel in pounds.
We've got about 5,500 pounds, and we've got 6 people on board, 4 Tango Bravo.
It's 6 people and how many pounds?
5,000 pounds, 4 Tango Bravo.
Yes, sir. Citation 4 Tango Bravo, need any assistance on the ground?
I don't believe we're going to, no sir. We're stable now, 4 Tango Bravo.
Okay.
Tower citation 4 Tango Bravo, we're at Tracy inbound, full stop.
Citation 546 Tango Bravo, Republic Tower, runway 32, clear to land, descend at your discretion, wind 310, 11 gust 21.
Alright, 32 clear to land, our discretion, 4 Tango Bravo.
Citation 4 Tango Bravo, parking.
Let's go back to Republic North.
Citation 4 Tango Bravo, roger. You make the left turn off the runway, taxi with me via Alpha, enter at Papa. Rescue vehicle will follow you in.
Roger, Alpha at Papa. Appreciate the patience, 4 Tango Bravo.
No worries, glad you're back on the ground safely.